Welcome to the TED3 webinar series. TED3 stands for Tools for Employment and Environmental Education Development. TED3 is an Erasmus project co-founded by the European Union, which wants to support and boost youth work for a more sustainable and greener future. These webinars aim to raise awareness about crucial issues of our time. Enjoy your watch.
Hi, my name is Juanma. I'm from Peru, and we are in trouble. The main source of drinkable water is completely polluted. There is garbage everywhere, and we can only buy bottled water. According to a survey made by the Pacific Institute and published in 2010, 2 million tons of sewage, industrial and agricultural waste are thrown in worldwide waters every day, which weighs at that time the same as the entire world population, 6.8 million people. But that's not the only problem. The World Bank says that we generate 2.01 million tons of solid waste per year, and at least 33% of it is not managed safely. This gigantic amount of garbage ends up in our rivers and oceans, polluting our drinkable water and destroying the enormous variety of ecosystems we have. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is one of the biggest examples of ocean pollution in our times. As it's already known, a great percentage of this waste ends up in our oceans. And according to a recent news and statistics from the United Nations, today there are more than 51 trillion microplastic particles in our oceans, a number 500 times bigger than stars in our galaxy. They estimate that by 2050, if nothing changes, oceans will have more plastic than fish, and almost 99% of seabirds will have eaten microplastics. As statistics prove, if we don't change the way we are dealing with our garbage production and especially management, we will making our problems even worse. But hopefully, there are already some solutions being taken that may change the status quo of water pollution in our not so far future. Did you know that a Peruvian scientist cleaned 2 kilometers of the Titicaca Lake? Marino Morikawa achieved that using nanotechnology to get rid of pollutants in the water. In this way, he has helped to conserve the ecosystem and its species, 70 kinds of bird species and 3 of fish species. Also, a group of Dutch scientists, led by Boyan Slat, have just developed an ocean cleanup system, a floating device that is able to collect rubbish without disturbing marine life. They hope that its final design will be able to clean up half of the detritus of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. As we can see from Morikawa and Slat's projects, they started with a proposal, an idea to do something about this problem. We all can do something from our possibilities. We have to take responsibility for our actions because we are destroying our home. Any action can make a difference, even a small one. Let's call everybody to action.
We hope that all people will come to know the solutions so that young people just like you are creating for a more sustainable future. Let's start doing something about it. This is your opportunity to be the change agent of the world. See you in the next TED3 webinar.